Bueno, ahí como me ven, estoy grabando un cover para System of a Down, una banda que me gusta mucho, y hice un cover del álbum completo, del álbum Toxicity. Así que los videos ya están subidos a mi canal de música en YouTube, y les voy a dejar el link en la descripción y también en un botoncito que va a aparecer ahora arribita en el video. Eso, disfrútenle, denle like, suscríbanse. Okay, so as I was saying in Spanish, I was recording a cover for one of the bands that I like the most, is System of a Down. I was recording a cover of the whole album Toxicity. So you can check now in the link in the description and with the button that just appeared seconds before.
That would be nice, but...
Quack. Quack. Say quack quack. Yeah, quack. No. Hey.
But it's not
very good. Let's go. Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
What is that, babe?
Esto es un cevichelado. Cevichelada.
Chunky.
Así es. Está bueno.
Oh, babe. Oh, it's so cute.
Wanna eat?
Here I was at work and I saw a humpback whale through the window.
Mira, 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 una ballena.
To the gym. Hello. We're at a Thai restaurant. And you want coconut juice, Thai iced tea, khao pad kai, tom yum goong. Right.
Ya se está cocinando la sopa.
So, what was it? Johnny Walker and Dry.
Yeah.
It's more than a shot because she spilled quite a bit into the glass. And there's a red wine. Together, $9.
Chilean price.
Yeah, kind of. And we have a nice view. Yeah. What a beautiful day. Completo,
Salud.
cheers.
Eso.
Salud.
Saludcita. De completo. Vamos, vamos.
Yummy, yummy. Ooh. Oh wow. Big bite. Yeah, but a little bit mayo. Little bit over there. Oh yeah, no.
Du kommer från Sverige.
Yay.
Vi kommer från Sverige och Chile.
Oh, that's so good, babe. Yay, learning Swedish.
Y hay un chistosito, a la 1 de la mañana estaba curado y en vez de tocar el timbre tocó la alarma del incendio y vinieron los bomberos. Me despertaron. Estábamos caminando en la playa con la Ellen y nos encontramos con esto. Qué raro. Una pirámide de arena. O sea, además que alguien la hizo, pero como que logró encontrarse con eso. Una pirámide de arena. No se ve nada. Ahora está la ciudad, edificios. Ahí está la Ellen. Ahí está la luna. Qué bonito. Qué bonito.
Airshow. What you see here is the Pacific Airshow that came to Gold Coast for 3 days. And unfortunately, Isa and I had to work. And it was super busy, but luckily, at least both of us work where there's a really good view. So we still got to see the show, which was incredible.
Sí, como dijo la Ellen, había un festival aéreo por 3 días consecutivos, todo un fin de semana. Y tuvimos que trabajar, desafortunadamente, esos días. Pero al mismo tiempo fue muy bacán porque teníamos todo el show enfrente de nosotros. Y toda la gente que estábamos atendiendo en los restaurantes estaban para ver el show. Así que fue una experiencia muy bonita, muy bacán ver todos esos aviones. Estaban haciendo trucos de todo, hasta paracaidistas. Así que fue muy espectacular. Así que se disfrutó mucho. No te vayas. Muy bien.
Man, it looks so slow, but it's like a zip code up there.
When we're really lightweight, our landing speed can be less than 100 knots.
That's incredible. So you having a good time down here in Australia? The whole crew, I hope, is.
Oh my gosh, we're having an amazing time.
Yeah. You know, you have to have that much smoke to keep it safe. Look at that, because they've got to keep an eye on everybody. This is so much rehearsal. Like, every time I see this, it just blows my mind away that last year was the first time. The acro agitator, that is perfect. Look at that. I'll get the clothes clean.
pick up. Gives the best wiggle. Woo! Tolerating all the training camps and being away. They thank
Swing back around. Yeah, there we go, baby.
Company Sergeant Sean McCabe, then Sergeant Andy Lynch, then Sergeant Gabe Coleman Moffat, Sergeant Marcus Shields, Sergeant Greg Ashleby, and last of this group will be Sergeant Jones.
A really diverse crew here today on board B-22. Back in the day, it was mostly guys.
Wait, here we go.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that.
Ah. Is anything happening? No.
No, but it looks great. Wow.
Y luego de días duros de trabajo, a carretear.
After 3 very busy days of the air show, we all went out to celebrate together in our pilot costumes.